Let me show you how to install the terminal block. The splitter terminal block simplifies the interconnection and deployment of broadband equipment in central offices in remote locations, supporting ADSL to Plus and VDSL. Just use the insertion tool to connect the wires with the block and cut the extra wires one by one. The innovative product design provides unique features designed to meet operators' expectations for current mass broadband or NGN deployment with expected low installation costs. The MDF splitter terminal block uses a normally close-to-piece contact with a convenient disconnection feature. The splitter block can be rotated with max angle 90 degrees. By the way, xDSL splitters will be inserted from the rear side. Finally confirm that the wires are securely fixed. It's done. Thanks for watching.
The Apple, your partner in growth.